whakatārawa ana a James Daniels I ana pukitaringa, mo te wāri e mōhio nei ia.
Well, it was a want, not a need. I've seen what's happening around the council table, or what's not happening. Things aren't moving quickly enough. I've lived in this city for 70 years, and particularly out in the east, and so it's a passion of mine. It's my hood, and I want to represent it.
Execute and perform in the best interests of the City of Christchurch.
No te taurua mano te kaumaiwa iriroa Daniels I te wāri ma tāwhanga kei te Kaunihera o tautahi. Heoi I hoki atu ia ki te ao pāpāho I te tau 2021 ki te reo irirangi o NewstalkZB. Nā tērā, I whakatu he by-election nā runga I te pūtea o te kaiutureti, ko tōna ono te kaumārima mano te utu.
You are welcome back. So when you retire, and there is a vacancy, you know, you might just want to be thinking about where that might take you.
E hara I te mea e a wanga ana a Daniels ki te hoki mai, he aronga anō tāna.
I'm doing this because I really care about it. And if I'm not elected, kei te pai. One of the things that council has to do is provide infrastructure for people who live in the city and pay for that infrastructure. So what we need is simple, smart and safe infrastructure. We don't need gold-plated infrastructure, which happens around the place. And I think, well, it doesn't need to be like that. It could be just a lot more basic. Well, everyone wants their rate increases to be that small. And I think that we do have to have a look at what we're spending our money on, but we also need to support the businesses that provide employment and amenity for our residents. So you've got to have a nice balance there. And that's one of the things that I think I bring, is that I'm good at resolving disputes.
I mua I tana urunga atu ki te ao Kaunihera, he nui ana pōtai. Engari, ko tana urunga hei māngai mo tana rūnanga, arā ko Wairewa, ki te puari o te rūnanga o Ngaitahu, I pupu ake tana hiahia ki te whai I tēnei ara.
I thought I knew everything until I got there, and it was a fantastic experience for me. My first hui for Te Rūnanga was when Mark Solomon was appointed kai whakahaere, and we'd just signed the settlement, and so it was those bridge building days. It helped shape the way that I work, the way that I think, and I guess my values as well, and so I could transfer that to Christchurch City as a whole, so it was kind of natural.
Hei tāpiri atu ki tērā, me pēhea rā ngā whakaaro o te maria I te hokinga mai a Daniels.
I don't mind him coming back. I actually went to primary school with him in the same class. And yeah, I'm fine with him coming back too.
Yeah, I'm a bushman, so I live on the water and live in the bush, so I stay away from the politics.
So you should pay back the $65,000 that he bloody cost us before he goes back to try and get into the ward again. Yeah, that'll go against it, I think.
Ka tū te pōtitanga Kaunihera kei o tautahi, hei te iwa o hepetema, tainua ki te kaumātahi o Oketopa. Ka mutu taihoake ka kite I ngā kōrero a Daniels I te tūranga nui. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.